Today we are going to discuss control valve mostly asked questions and answers in the interview. Let's take the first question 1. What are the types of control valves? How are they different from each other? There are many types of control valves, but today we will discuss three main types of control valves: globe valve, butterfly valves, and ball valves. Globe valves are the most commonly used control valves. They are designed for precise control of fluid flow. The shape of these valves is like globe. Butterfly valves are used for large flow rates. They are designed in such a way that they are lightweight and easy to operate. In butterfly valves, the valve is like a butterfly. These valves are also called a quarter-turn valve. Now, let's discuss ball valves. Ball valves are used for on-off control. In ball valves, the valve is in the shape of a ball. These valves are reliable and durable. Coming to the next question. What is the purpose of control valve? How does it work? The purpose of a control valve in a process system is to regulate the flow of fluid. Fluid means gas or liquid. The control valve is open or closed, so that the flow of fluid passes or stops through a pipe. Control valve is connected to a control loop. This control loop is connected to sensors. These sensors measure the flow, pressure, temperature of the fluid. The control loop then sends the signal to the control valve. This adjusts its position and regulates the flow of fluid. Let's take the next question. What is the difference between control valve and shut-off valve? Control valves are used to regulate the flow of fluid, while shut-off valves are used to completely stop the flow of fluid. Control valves are used to maintain specific flow rate, pressure, temperature, while shut-off valves are used in the process system to completely pass and completely stop the flow. Let's take the next question. What are the main or key components of control valve? How do they work? Key components are known as main components. The main components of the control valve are valve body, actuator, and positioner. Valve body is the main part, which controls the flow of fluid. Actuator is the mechanism that makes the valve body move and regulates the flow of fluid. Positioner is the device that receives the signal from the control loop and adjusts the position of the actuator, thereby controlling the flow. Let's take the next question. What is the importance of valve sizing? How is it done? Valve sizing is important because it ensures that the valve is properly matched to the flow rate and pressure requirements of the process system. Proper valve sizing ensures that control valve can control the fluid flow accurately and efficiently. Valve sizing is done by calculating the required flow coefficient, which is based on the process system's flow rate, pressure, and other factors. Let's discuss the next question. What are the various types of actuator design? Which one is best for a particular application? Here you have to tell the types of actuator and which actuator is used for a particular application. Although there are many types of actuators, but we are going to discuss two main types of actuators here: pneumatic and electric. Pneumatic actuators use compressed air to move the valve body. Compressed air means the air which is taken from air compressor and air dryer. Somewhere it is also called instrument air. Whereas electric actuators use electrical motor. The choice of actuator design depends on the specific requirements of the applications, such as the type of fluid to be controlled. This means that the fluid flowing in the line is liquid, steam, or gas, flow rate, and environment in which the valve is used. Apart from this, line pressure, line temperature also affects the actuator design. Let's take the next question. What is the importance of flow characteristic in control valve? The flow characteristic ensures that how the valve responds to changes in the control signal. There are many types of flow characteristics, but we are going to discuss linear flow characteristic and equal flow characteristic here. Let's discuss linear flow characteristic. In linear flow characteristic, when there is a change in the position of the valve, there is a proportional change in flow rate. In linear characteristic, the graph between valve opening percentage and maximum percentage flow is linear. In this, the percentage valve is open, the same percentage flow passes. While in equal flow characteristics, flow rate changes exponentially. In equal characteristic, the graph between valve opening percentage and maximum percentage flow is exponential. The shape of valve plug is also different in linear and equal characteristic. Let's take the next question. What is the purpose of valve trim? Trim means to reduce or cut. Valve trim are the internal components of the control valve, which contains plug, valve seat, and other parts, which come in contact with the fluid. Valve trim is used to reduce the fluid flow passing through the control valve. They are designed for control flow through the valve and to provide the desired flow characteristic. Let's take the next question. What is the role of actuator in control valve? The actuator moves the valve trim according to the control signal. It converts the control signal into mechanical force or torque to position the valve according to the desired process conditions. Let's take the next question. How do you maintain control valves? For proper functioning of control valves, they are regularly inspected and maintained. Maintenance activities include cleaning, lubrication, and calibration of its position. So that was our video. Thanks for watching.